Hi, I'm Dr. Betty Dulan-Banawa. Welcome to my Math 1324 class. To get started, let me give you a course tour. Start by reviewing the syllabus for this course. In the syllabus, you will find the requirements and the rules applicable to this course. There is no required textbook for this course. However, students are required to purchase access code to Newton Alta. Watch this video for more information. For scientific calculators, any scientific calculator may be used on the homework and quizzes. But on the exams or long tests, you can only use the online scientific calculator that is provided in the quiz tools. To get an idea of how this calculator will look like, visit this link here. Attendance. We are mandated to record your attendance regularly. Attendance will be based on your quizzes and homework submission. You will be marked present if and only when you submit them on time. If you submit them late, or if you don't submit them, you will be marked absent. Now, for class correspondence, students are strongly encouraged to contact me via email if they have any questions. Email sent during office hours will be responded to as soon as possible. Otherwise, please allow me 24 hours to respond. Email sent on weekends and holidays will be responded to the next business day. The following here outlines the policies for homework, quizzes, long test, and the final test. Now, all homework, quizzes, and long tests must be submitted on time. If you're unable to complete them by the due date, you may still submit them late, but subject to a 10% penalty, regardless of what the reason for submitting it late. There is no exception to this rule. But to account some emergency situations, the lowest test score is excluded in the final grade computation. The final test will be taken online on the last day. It will be comprehensive and will cover everything that was covered in class. Now, please read the test requirements here, how to download Pictorio or have your computer set up for the test. And this link also will provide you the exam rules and guidelines. Make sure to read this before taking the test to avoid getting 0 on any test. And this is also the directions on where to find the scientific calculator during exam. For the grade computation, this is how your grade will be computed. 25% will come from homework, 15% will come from quizzes and practice tests, 5% from discussion and class participation, and 55% is from the average of long tests and finals. Take note that the lowest test grade will be dropped in the final grade computation. For more information, click here to view the ICR for this course. This will include all other class policies that were not discussed in this video. So here's the course summary for this course. This includes the important dates for this class, the due dates for each of the homework and quizzes, discussion questions, long tests, and finals. Please ensure that your assignments are completed on time. You are free to work on them at your convenience and at your own pace. But please make sure to turn them in on time to avoid penalties for being late. Then finally, let's discuss how you will go over the materials. Click on Modules. This is how you will go over the materials. You need to go through them in the order that they appear. As you could see here, you cannot skip. You need to view first the lecture, click on that link, and then view the videos provided to you, take down notes, and then once you're done, click on the homework here. When you click your homework for the first time, you will be prompted to purchase an access code. Do not procrastinate this step. Make sure to purchase the access code on day 1 since this is a fast-paced class. You have only 1 month to complete the course requirements. Your assignments are adaptive. To receive a perfect score, you must attain the mastery level. After achieving a certain level of mastery on your homework, then you can take the quiz if there is one. After receiving a mastery level on your homework, you can then go back to the modules and locate the link for the quiz. As you can see here, the link for the quiz will then become available. Click on this link here and take your quiz. You have 2 attempts for all your quizzes. And additionally, for the modules, you also need to go through them in sequential order. That means you can't go to lesson 3 without doing lesson 2 first. And as you could also see here, you need to complete everything on the list here before the other links will become available. And then once you complete this, then this lesson here will then become available and so on. Then lastly, you can visit the review center by clicking on the syllabus and scrolling down to the bottom and then find the link for the test review center. This would contain all the reviews for quizzes or any practice test. And then if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me or schedule a consultation with me. I hope you find this useful.